Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube. My name is Nur Muhammad from Watch, and I'm back with another unboxing. Right, so if you guys seen the title of this video, so you know already that what are the watches that I'm going to be unboxing of. But yeah, you know what, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing my Seestern or Seestern whichever way you want to call it. This is an homage to the what do you call it, Doxa Military or the Synchron Military, but you know what, not exactly a copy of both those two, but somewhat of an an expired design by Seestern. Yeah, I've done an unboxing video for this particular piece, but I haven't done a full review of this piece, so please stay tuned for the review, and let's cue the intro. Okay guys, so welcome back to the unboxing of another Seestern watch. Right, so what is the version that I've got? So let's just rip off this pouch, and we have another one. You know what, this is different because the previous Seestern that I bought is this one. I bought it from their website, and this one I bought it from AliExpress. Right, so let's see if there's anything else inside the pouch. Nothing there. And let's see what is inside this particular box. Right, so yeah, we've got ourselves a red color strap. That so basically I've ordered this particular watch, and I asked the seller, hey, I will be doing a review for this watch, so can you please throw me a free strap? And yeah, I've got it. Thank you very much, Seestern AliExpress store. And we've got the usual what do you call this, manual instruction, right, and a unsigned international warranty. Anyway, so let's just get it over there, and let's see what is inside. So if you guys have been following about Seestern, you know what is this, and this is an homage of the 62 mass, albeit with a much smaller case. Right, so this one comes in, I think, 38 millimeters in diameter. So we will do a quick dimension check there, and but you know what, yeah, oh my god, that looks awesome. Check out that red dial, guys. Wow, this looks awesome. Yeah, and the rubber strap is very nice. Right, so I think this is an FKM rubber, and yeah, we have this tag here. I think, yeah, you just have to rip it off. Sorry about that. How do we take this thing? You know what, just rip it off. Right, okay, so, and yeah, this rubber strap is very nice. So there's no smell. There's no vanilla smells whatsoever, but we do have this quick release pin, so very soft and supple. And we have that Seestern or Seestern laser etch logo there, and on the black one is also the same. Right, so very nice strap indeed. Right, so you know what, let's do a quick dimension check for this particular piece. They say that the case is 37 millimeters, so you know what, let's just quickly check that one out. So let's just put the calipers here, and on this side, let's see, yep, that is about 37 millimeters, but on the bezel itself, right, so 38 millimeters. So should you call this 38 or 37? Yeah, depends, right? So on the thickness side, so we have 13.7 because it does have a bit of sapphire dome sapphire crystal here, maybe single dome sapphire crystal. And the most important dimension of this particular piece that makes me wanted to try it is the lug to lug of just 46 millimeters, and with that 6.5 millimeters crown. So that is absolutely awesome. Right, so, and they say they have the sapphire crystal. I have no reason to doubt them, but you know what, let's just give it a quick try. Yep, that's definitely sapphire, and there's no case specs or display case spec whatsoever. Let's just give it a weight check. Right, so how much does it weigh on this particular rubber strap? Yeah, it weighs about, oh come on, you know what, do it properly, man, do it properly. Right, so let's just put it like so. Oh, maybe not. Yep, okay, there we go. It's 99 or 94 grams. Yeah, under 100 grams, right? So 94 grams, right? Very nice set of specifications there. Let's take that one off and put it over there, right? So let's check out the bezel, right? So of course it features a ceramic bezel insert with a lumed just 12-hour marker lumed circle here, and I don't think there is no lume on this surface. Yeah, shame, but yeah, still it's very good. Let's check out the grip, right? So this is featuring coin bezel here with that sapphire bezel inside, and let's check out the 120 clicks. Very nice. Right, so nice click sound. Let's see if it aligns, right? So dun, 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 dun. Yeah, there's a little bit of backplay there. Yep, it is not aligned. Oh my god, that is so annoying. Okay, let's give it a try. One more time. Just a tit. I don't know, man. It's difficult to see from the back of the camera, but yeah, still I think that is okay. No problems whatsoever. And the crystal, right? So it is not a box dome sapphire crystal. This one is also not. This one is rather a flat one. So that it features this single dome sapphire crystal, but not really that box, because you can't really see the protection from here. But yeah, it's quite an interesting look to it, and I believe that there is a sapphire, AR coating, but you can't really see the blue hue from here, guys. Yeah, maybe there is a little bit, but not that much, until, you know, yeah, typical to these Chinese watches, right? So, and that dial, that red Fume dial, oh my god, that looks absolutely awesome in my opinion. And from the back of the camera, I think this is definitely using a C3 Super Luminova, because you can see that green hue on all of those applied indices. Yeah, I think that's definitely applied, and we have those printed minute markers, right? But I can already see a few negatives here. Yeah, maybe we'll go we will go to all of those in the full review, but yeah, still nice set of hands here with the brush center hour hands, and with a polished chamfered side there. Very nice. And again, similar finishing on the minute hands, and on the second hand is using a polished second hands, right? So very nice. And yeah, it doesn't have that cap on top of the second hands. I know how difficult that must be to put. And this is supposed to have a centered date wheel, right? So let's just wind it and see how whether the date has already been rectified. In the first release of this particular piece, they have the issue where the date is not really at the center of the date wheel. Oh, okay, so there's no. Oh my god. Yep. Okay, so one of the complaints that I've seen from another review is that when you push back in the crown, it is not functioning. So you can see just now when I pull it out, right, so stop, but when I push it back in, yeah, I have to push really hard to make sure that the stem goes in, right? So that is one thing that you need to be careful of, right? Be aware of, right? So let's just check out the other date wheel. 7 is good, 8 is good, 9, yep, it's definitely at the center. So I think this is definitely the version 2 of the Seestern 62 mask, right? So let's just give it a hack one more time, and let's set it to the 10-10 position. And no, not yet. 10-10 position, and boom, let's just screw it back in. Okay, screwing action is quite, nope, it doesn't catch. Okay, the crown is a little bit too, it's not really that tall, so I think, yeah. Oh my god, I have to use some plastic to take that one off. Yeah, it has that same Seestern logo there, so yeah, I will take it off obviously during the full review. And yeah, check out that finishing, guys. Very nicely brushing, very nice brushed finishing on the side of the case and on top of the case. So there's a little bit of polishing here on the beveling here. Yep. Oh, okay, so come on, iPhone, so what are you doing? Yep, there is a bit of polishing here, but I just prefer this finishing compared to the real competitor of this particular model, which is the Saint Martin or Saint Martin 62 mask. So you can see that what I'm planning to do with these two watches, right? So comparison review coming soon, and of course I think, you know what, I think at the end I'm definitely going to just pick one to remain in my collection, and you know what, I definitely, maybe I have to go with this one. Yeah, we will see, right? So what else? Of course, like I mentioned just now, we have quick release pins on the strap and the case back here, right? So 20 ATM Sapphire SE62S001 automatic movement, all stainless steel, right? So you know what, let's just take this one off and see if they are using the exact same common case back on these things, right? So I don't think so, right? So this is quite a huge one. So this here mentioned SS316, oh, 316L stainless steel, SE60S001, this one SE62S001, right? So maybe that is the model number, right? So maybe it is on, I'm not really sure, but yeah, still, let's put it on the wrist and see. Oops, see how it looks like on my skinny 6.75 inch wrist. Oh wow, that is just, oh my god, I just love how this feels, right? So check out that 46 millimeters lug to lug. So it sits very, very nicely on my wrist, and I am on the second hole. So it's people with 6-inch wrist, so maybe you could wear the watch, but you need to maybe invest on another strap if you want to use this particular watch, right? So that is absolutely awesome watch in my opinion. You know what, let's give it a quick charge. I don't really have my my UV lamp here. I have no idea where the heck I put it. But you know what, let's just check it out. Okay, yes, the first Seestern that I bought, which is this one, doesn't really have that Lume dead wheel, but this one I've got the Lume dead wheel, and dang, that is absolutely awesome, guys. So what do you think of this? Oh my god, I just love Lume, right? So yeah, Lume junkies Lume junkies definitely rejoice when we see this kind of innovation from watchmakers, even from AliExpress, right? So there you have it, guys, my initial review, or just an unboxing video of this particular piece of this Seestern 62 mask. You know what, let's put it on the red one, let's see how it looks, right? So we already have this on here, so you know what, since yeah, oh my, I don't know, I think the red looks cool too, right? So yeah, let's just put it in and see how it looks like, right? Since we've already have it in on the table or under the light box. Ooh, I think that looks absolutely gorgeous. The red, of course, it's quite bright compared to the dial, but dang, that looks absolutely awesome, right? So what do you guys think of this particular piece? For me, initial initial impression, I am totally impressed, right? So shame that one more thing to add. So they've already mentioned that they will add a bracelet for this particular piece. I have no idea whether that will they will increase the pricing or not, but yeah, dang, come on, Seestern, just give us what we want from the beginning, right? So yeah, anyway, tell me what do you think about this particular watch. So please do, if you like this video and find it is helpful for you, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon, stay safe, and bye bye.